Smoky, spicy, tangy, Chipotle lime butter takes grilled shrimp to another level. Simple ingredients, big flavor. Let's put this all together. The full recipe is in the description box. Start with 1 stick of softened, unsalted butter. Add in some cumin, some paprika, and 3/4 tablespoon of salt. Some minced or fresh garlic, 1 chipotle pepper in adobo sauce, the zest of 1 lime, and squeeze the juice of half of it. Give this a good mix. And mix this until it blends together. This is where the smoke and citrus meet. Okay, our shrimp gets a light coat of olive oil. All right, for our spice rub, we've got salt, coarse pepper, smoked paprika, garlic powder, cumin, cayenne, a touch of brown sugar. This is bold, balanced, and ready for the fire. Don't be shy here. The oil helps it stick. The rub does the rest. Run them tight on skewers. That way they cook even and baste easy. Lay your shrimp down right over the heat. You want that sizzle, a quick sear, nothing slow here. About 1.5 to 2 minutes per side. Flip it once and keep it moving. When these are done, slide them over and let's baste with that chipotle lime butter. This is where it all comes alive. Smoky, spicy, citrus. Pull these off, take them inside, and immediately give them one last brush of butter. Our shrimp's ready. Let's give it a taste. Smoky, spicy, that kick of lime. This shrimp tastes exactly how it should. Quick, simple, straight off the grill, and packed with flavor. Try this one at home. You'll be glad you did. Hit that like and subscribe button for more easy to make recipes right at home. And as always, keep it bold, keep it spicy. Until next time, adios.